Hello friends, welcome all my friends to my channel Animals and Nature Zone. We hope you are well and healthy. Today we are going to tell you about an experiment whose hearing will make your hair stand up. Moscow Russian sleep experiment. In the other world, such horrific events had happened that its revelations are happening till date. One of them is the Russian sleep experiment, information about which came years after the end of the Second World War. A 2009 report called this inhuman and gruesome test of Russia known as the Russian sleep experiment. We have often heard that the Second World War was more frightening than the First World War because during this period, while dangerous weapons were used, other people were also doing many dangerous methods of inhumane use on war prisoners and prisoners. Today we are telling you about a dangerous experiment in which the Soviet Union did not allow the prisoners of war to sleep for 30 consecutive days. This was the Russian sleep experiment in 2009. A website named Creepypasta Wiki revealed this test conducted by the Soviet Union. According to the website, in 1940, the Soviet Union had selected 5 prisoners taken captive from the enemy country under this experiment and kept them in a room for 30 days as an experiment and did not let them sleep for a month continuously. According to the report, if these 5 prisoners had completed 30 days without sleeping, they would have been released. But during the experiment the strange behavior of the 5 prisoners started coming out. According to the report, the 5 prisoners were given all facilities in their closed rooms except for eating, drinking and reading, but no arrangements were made for sleeping or sitting. The prisoners could not sleep, so a gas was also left in their room, which kept them constantly awake. Prisoners' behavior began to change from the 5th day. According to the report, the behavior of the inmates was normal for 4 days, but from the 5th day the behavior of the inmates started becoming abnormal. On the 9th day, a prisoner's mental balance deteriorated and kept shouting for hours. The prisoner was so shouted that only the vocal cord of his throat was torn. In a few days, the condition of all the prisoners became the same and all lost their mental balance. Everyone was starting to take out creepy sounds from their rooms. The prisoners also stopped eating their food. Later, when the researchers entered the room, the mangue that stood the hair was visible. There was blood splattered all over the floor in the room and the prisoners had their limbs amputated. The 5 prisoners were eating and scratching their own bodies. When the researchers too got scared after seeing this scene, the 5 prisoners were taken out. During this time also all the prisoners were shouting very loudly. When the prisoners were given 8 injections of morphine for the operation, it did not affect them. However, 3 prisoners lost their lives during the operation and the remaining 2 prisoners were locked back in the same room. Russia denied any such experiment. These experiments were carried out on the POWs during the Second World War. The tenure of the then Soviet Union was revealed in an article in 2009, but the Russian government has ruled out any such tests. Even after many years, there is no strong evidence of Russian sleep experiment. We hope you like this information. For similar information, please subscribe to us. Stay at home safe. Thank you very much for watching my video. Subscribe, like and share to my channel. Take care friends. Thank you.